This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a router. First, carefully unbox your new router and identify all the components, including the power adapter and any Ethernet cables. Next, choose a central location in your home for the router to ensure the best possible Wi-Fi signal throughout your entire space. Finally, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a working electrical outlet, then power it on. This initial step is crucial. Now let's connect your router to your modem. Find the Ethernet cable, often yellow or blue, that came with your equipment. Take one end of this cable and firmly plug it into the LAN port on your modem. Then, take the other end of that same Ethernet cable and connect it to the WAN or Internet port on your router. This port is usually a different color. With the modem connected, you can now connect your devices. For initial setup, it's often easiest to connect a computer directly to one of the router's LAN ports using an Ethernet cable. Look for the default Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, and password printed on a sticker on your router. Use these credentials to connect wirelessly, then open a web browser to access the router's settings. Finally, securing your network is paramount. Always change the default Wi-Fi network name and password to something unique and memorable. Also, create a strong, distinct password for your router's administrative login to prevent unauthorized access. Ensure your network uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for the best security, protecting your data and privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.